Introduce highlight features or overview summary for BERLANCHE adjustable 10.26-inch touch screen. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high performance. This CarPlay screen for car only needs to be attached to the dashboard in its original state, without the need to disassemble the car. Stereo soundtrack 10.26-inch high-resolution 1600x1600 capacitive touch screen, 178 degrees full view angle adjustable in any direction. IPS screen and tempered glass screen help you not worry about screen reflection and scratches, support efficient heat dissipation, and even if the car temperature reaches 65 degrees Celsius, it can operate smoothly. Wireless CarPlay screen with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto. The car screen mirroring device built-in CarPlay and Android Auto function, you can easily access applications on iPhone and Android phones. Allow for excellent voice-assisted control. Easily use GPS navigation, make phone calls, send/receive messages, listen to music, and more with CarPlay or Android Auto. At the same time, keep your hands free for completely safe driving operations. Mirroring function and DVR function. The portable CarPlay screen support for Android and iOS smartphones. Mirror link allows you to project the phone's display screen onto the screen and easily synchronize the phone. Play multimedia content on a larger screen. This CarPlay screen also supports dash cam input. If a TF card is inserted, the red dot on the car recorder button will flash when entering shooting mode. You can also download videos and music to your TF card. Up to 256 gigabit. Multiple audio output methods. The Android Auto screen for car provides faster transmission speed and longer effective distance through Bluetooth. You can answer/make calls and stream music through Bluetooth, without worrying about being distracted while driving. You can also transmit it to the car speakers through an auxiliary cable. The Apple CarPlay screen for car supports FM radio, allowing you to listen to your favorite real-time broadcasts, weather forecasts, and news at any time. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.